Hey everyone, if you're like us, you like to eat Korean barbecue. We love it, and since we've been in quarantine, we wanted to try making this at home. So this recipe today is going to be a Korean short rib, and we hope you enjoy. The first thing we're going to do is, we got all of our short ribs. You want them all in a little bit of sections, so you can get them at the grocery store the same way. And we're just going to sprinkle them with a little bit of salt. Just make sure each of the sides is got it on. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start throwing them in. This is nice and hot. You can hear. So we're just gonna go ahead and press these down. And we're not trying to cook the whole thing through. We're just trying to get it so that we get a sear on each side. While this is going, we're gonna go ahead and make a little marinade. So we've got rice wine vinegar, our favorite garlic. We got some sunflower oil, gochujang, like sesame seeds, soy sauce, and brown sugar. So you can use serrano or some other kind of pepper, but we're just going to take a jalapeno for this one. And we like it spicy, so we're going to keep the seeds in. You can take them out if you want. It's really easy. You just kind of scrape them out, but we're going to keep them in there. So what we're going to do is just give them a nice fine chop. We're going to do some ginger as well. Just trying to get some of that aromatic flavor coming in. Here are the chopped in the background. That in there. So now we're trying to get a good sear on each side. I'm just going to try to get these to stand up a little bit. So we're going to get some soy sauce, gochujang, and rice vinegar. And some brown sugar. Take that and start mixing it in. Just trying to get everything dissolved in. Take some salt. And 1 cup of water just to give us the balance. And we're pretty much done. So, you can see we're getting it pretty much all the way there, but we got a couple sides that need to be done still. So we're just going to let that kind of go through. Try to find the side that needs to be cooked. Because I'm not going to take all of it out at the same time. I'm going to slowly take them out and check them first. Okay, so once we see that every side has been cooked, we're going to take it out and we're just going to slowly put them in there. You want to be careful while you're doing it. Everything's still really hot, and it's kind of cooking up a little bit. I think we're pretty good except for one side on this one. So we're looking, that one could use a little bit of work. That one could use a little bit of work. Now we're going to do slow cook, and we're going to hit it for we'll do 8.5 hours, but we're going to be checking it as we go. So that's it. I'm just going to put that on there so nothing gets in. Alright, so our short ribs are done. They smell really good. and you can see they've all got a nice sear. They're almost falling off the bone. And so this is the point of why you want to sear, because it just gives them all a nice, they've all got a nice texture to them. So what we're going to do is we're going to let that start to just rest, and then we're just going to get some garnishes ready. So we've got green onions. I chopped up the rest of our jalapeno pepper from earlier. And so what you want to do, the common way to do it, or the traditional way, is you just kind of group them together, and you're just going to cut them diagonally. Okay, so now we're going to take this out. I'm just going to get all this stuff out. So what we're trying to do is we just want to separate all the meat out. Once you're finished, pour off all the sauce into a tall cup to remove the fat. The fat will float to the top while the sauce sinks, and then you'll be able to spoon out all the fat. If you want, you can always save the fat for other recipes. We use it in place of lard for Cuban bread.
We've been craving this dish so bad. We've been smelling it all day, slow cook. Oh, we're so excited to eat it. Here we pair it with white rice, some baked carrots, and then we garnish it with some pickled radish, some parsley, some green onions, a little bit of jalapeno, and some sesame seeds. Hope you like it, and if you make it, post it and hashtag Provecho so we can see your pictures. Follow us on Instagram at ProvechoDC and subscribe.